gonna do the whole thing today, right?
Sure.
I mean, we'll see. So nice out today. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. No wonder why I feel like I'm dying. My heart rate's 193. I wish you were wearing a freaking watch right now so I could see what your heart rate is. Probably like 102. While I'm over here going into like cardiac arrest. Hello. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Babies. Hi. They said hi to me. Adorable.
You look so nervous.
Hello.
Okay.
Well, it flew into the tree. Oh, wait, I missed it again. Oh, that was a cute whistle. No! Oh. Thank you. Yeah. I hit this earlier, so I got loose, but I never fixed it.